Guys, what is going on? Big John here with another video, and in today's video it's going to be a pocket dump, baby. We're talking EDC. These items that are on the table here, I'm going to go over one by one. This is what goes in my pockets every day of the week. All right, so let's get started. First thing on the list is going to be Apple Watch Ultra 2. I made a video about this watch. I'll link it above. It does everything you could possibly need it to do and then some more. This is what tears me up though, a little bit, because I'm a watch guy. I like nice watches that look nice. I have to wear this. This thing for me, just at work, getting text messages and emails, this thing's going off all day long. If I have my phone on my desk and I'm away from my desk walking around, I can still get emails, still get text messages, still receive and make phone calls on this bad boy. It's hard to break away from it. It's hard to get rid of it. I've tried in the past and failed miserably. I keep going back to the Apple Watch, and this time I got the Apple Watch Ultra 2. That's my watch. Moving on down the line, next on the list is maybe one of my favorite knives. This is a Bug Out by Benchmade. Black blade, black handle. This usually just goes into my right pocket and it just lives there. And it comes out multiple times a day, whether it's opening a box, tightening something down, scraping something, getting to something behind somewhere else. Beautiful, beautiful knife. But that is right front pocket Benchmade Bug Out. Next on the list is my keychain, and this is actually going to change today, but I have had this keychain wallet basically for the better part of 6 years, maybe 5 or 6 years. I have had this forever. I was always a hater of jingle jangle janitor style keychains, and this thing really fixed that for me. Essentially, if you're not familiar, Bellroy is the creator of this thing, and I have a separate keychain for other keys that I use here and there, but these are my 3 go-to keys that I use pretty much every day. And I hate the jingle and the jangle. Even this. Okay, so this right here is just my fob to get into my gym. And then this is my key fob for my truck. Even this, even that, I can't. I just don't like it. I don't like the jingling and the jangling, and it just doesn't sound good. It does bother me a lot for some reason. This has served me well, and I'm sure I will be going back to it yet again once I switch over to what I'm going to switch over to. I'll make a video on what I'm switching over to coming up in a little bit. Bellroy key wallet. Moving on, going to the wallet. All right, wallet sits in the left front pocket, has for some time, ever since I got rid of the big bulky wallet. I've had other wallets. I really did dig this new minimalist wave that came through with the wallets. Havenhurst on Amazon. I bought this thing. I couldn't tell you what I paid for it. I'll link it down below. It was cheap. It was not expensive, but it's basically got a carbon fiber like finish, held on with screws. Looks good, looks cool, looks great. Love this thing. I normally don't carry cash, but for personal reasons I started carrying cash. Having the clip on here for cash is huge, while still being able to carry all the cards that I have. This is a good wallet. Amazon, it was cheap. Havenhurst is who made this, and it hits all the points for me. This will probably be my wallet for years to come. So that is the left front pocket, the wallet. Okay, so also in my right front pocket houses my everyday carry pen. Now this is a bolt action pen by Big Idea Design, and it basically has this bolt action, almost like an old rifle, and its fidget factor is on point. Also, you can just have that bolt action engaged and then roll it away, and then when you want to use it, roll it back out. I've had this for the better part of 2 years. Nothing has replaced it. Nothing has come close to replacing it. In fact, this thing's gone through so much, I lost the clip. The clip broke, but since there's like a little Allen head at the top of it, I was able to undo that, take the clip off, redo it, and it's as good as new. The refills are standard issue, whatever refills. These are Schneider. You can pick your own refills to put in here, and pretty much it'll go with any refill you want to use. And then it's just as simple as screwing this back together, and you are ready to rock. Right front pocket, pen. All right, so the next item on the list here is not an everyday carry, but it is a most of the time carry item, and that is AirPods by Apple. These are the AirPods 4. I made a mistake. I didn't get the noise canceling version of these. These are like the $120 version. I should have spent more money and got the active noise cancellation ones, but here we are. Does the job. Love these things. I will be upgrading this, but for now, they're great. And we finally made it to the last thing on the list, and that is definitely every day in my pocket, back right pocket to be exact, and that is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. iPhones have become kind of a joke anymore. Like, it's just the same phone every year. Better processor, better camera, whatever. You know, it's like, how good does the camera have to be? How fast does the processor have to be? This is pretty self-explanatory. It's a great phone. It does the job. It takes great photos of the kids and whatever else you might need. It takes good video. Sometimes I use this on capturing something real quick. Back right pocket every day. And that is everything that goes in my pockets every single day of the week. This is actually changing today. So I'm going to start switching some of these items out and seeing what else maybe I can fall in love with, and we'll see. But I will update you as this changes. But this was a fun video to make. Hopefully it was a fun video to watch. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye then.